Hi, my name is Hasib, and today I and my partner Mariam who are part of Team 13, will be presenting our final project, which is a real-time chat translator between two users. So the application provides a feature for two users to communicate in their own native language without worrying what the native language of the end user is. So basically, the application takes your native language and then translates into the end user's native language. And this application is a perfect fit for customer support based roles where two people are have different first languages and then they can use this to communicate. So the Azure services used are Azure AI Translator, Azure Functions, Azure Static Web App, and the Azure Pops-up service. This is the overview of the architecture. Basically, I used GitHub for CI/CD pipeline. And the Azure Static Web App encapsulates the static content and the API Azure functions. And then the client basically communicates through WebSockets using the Azure Web PubSub service. The Azure Web PubSub service actually communicates with the Azure API functions to log in, validate, connect, and then send messages back and forth between the two users. The client also communicates with the Azure AI Translator to convert the message from their native language to the end user's native language. And it also sees that if the message received from the user is not in their native language, it again uses or leverages the Azure AI translators to translate it back. Thank you. That's the overview, and let me walk you through the demo. Uh, okay. Yeah, let me refresh these and let's suppose the first user is Hasib. My native language is Urdu, and the next user is Mariam. Her native language is, let's suppose, English. Okay, now they are connected. Hello, how may I help you today? Okay, well, so basically what it does is it actually is written in Urdu and I can read and understand. आज मैं आपकी मदद कैसे कर सकता हूँ? So I do not have the keyboard that can write in Arabic. So I'm going to type in Roman Urdu, and the application has the ability to understand the Roman Urdu and translate it into English. So I'm going to say something that something is not working, and then let's see if it translates. So I said that there's a problem in my computer. मेरे कंप्यूटर में मसला है. My computer has a problem, should be has a problem, but I'm using a very basic version of Azure AI Translator. So a lot of times it doesn't, I mean, it literally translates, but it doesn't really understand the context and does the translation that you may find on a Google Translate. But let's say, what exactly is the problem with your system? आपके कंप्यूटर के साथ असल मसला क्या है, which actually does mean what exactly is the problem. So now let's say that I have a problem with uh, let's see if we can Google Translate. Uh, so let's just copy this and paste it and see if it does understand. Yeah. So it does say my computer's motherboard isn't working. Does a much better job when I type it in Urdu rather than Roman Urdu. But I mean, let's just send a few more messages. So I've said that did you buy the computer from our website, and then it translates क्या आपने computer हमारी website से खरीदा है, which actually does mean कि I mean it does mean what I typed in English. So now let me reply. So yeah, yes sir, or something like that. Uh, should have translated. Site से खरीदा है. What did it say? I mean, but not really doing what it is supposed to do. But let's see. Yes, I did buy it from your website. And if I try write it over here, it should translate into yes, I bought it from your website. Okay, well, that's basically the demo. Thank you guys.